Hello, today I'll be showing you how to connect Memuron to your ChatGPT and Claude. You go to console.memuron.com. You must be signed in, and under the Claude section, you copy the MCT URL. You go to Claude, and under settings, you go to connectors. Here, under connectors, you can add custom connectors. You type the name of the uh, connector you're gonna have, which will be Memuron in our case, and we simply paste the URL and click on add, then press connect. It will redirect us to Memuron website itself. We click on allow, and within a few seconds you should be back in Floor, and Memuron should be available. You can set it to always allow as well, which it'll just make it life easier. And that's it for Claude. So for ChatGPT, it's a bit more complicated. But if you follow me, you should be good to go. You go to settings, you go to plugins, and under developer mode, make sure you have this turned on, and that should be pretty much it to continue. You go to browse plugins, you click on the plus button. It's the same thing again. You type Memuron and you press the you paste the URL. You click on understand and create. This should redirect us to Memuron again. It will show you a sign in with Memuron button. You click on it, you'll see the same allow button. Click on the allow button and you should be good to go. Now both Memuron is connected in ChatGPT and Claude. You could easily test it out by asking it at Memuron, list my spaces, and this should confirm it. As you can see, it's showing the 13 spaces I have, and so does Claude. What spaces do I have in Memuron? Fathoming missed spaces. It worked. Let's go. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.